It's easy to believe you're losing when your life feels like it's falling apart. When the plans you made unravel. When the people you trusted walk away. When the future you were counting on suddenly disappears. You start to think, maybe this is it. Maybe I've peaked, maybe I failed. Maybe I'm not meant to win. But what if I told you? This isn't the end, it's the turning point. Because what looks like destruction on the outside is often transformation on the inside. What feels like a breakdown is sometimes the beginning of a breakthrough. You just can't see it yet. Because transformation never looks like progress when you're in the middle of it. You are not cursed, you are not broken, you are not behind. You're being rerouted, rebuilt, reborn. The old you is being stripped away not to punish you but to prepare you. Because that next level of your life? It can't be reached with the weight of who you used to be. And yes, letting go hurts. Change is uncomfortable. Losing things you thought were permanent can feel like betrayal. But sometimes the universe has to clear space for something greater. Something stronger, something that finally aligns with the person you're becoming. If you're in that place right now, where everything feels like it's collapsing around you, tap subscribe right now. Because this channel is your reminder. You are not alone, you are not broken. You are being built into something the world hasn't seen yet. Let's keep going. Here's the truth they don't tell you. Growth feels like chaos before it feels like clarity. You lose the job, the relationship ends, the plans fall apart, and you think it's all going wrong. But life isn't punishing you. It's prioritizing you. It's removing what you would have never let go of, so you can finally rise without the anchors you were calling comfort. You keep asking, why is this happening to me? But the better question is, what is this trying to awaken in me? Because inside the pain is a new perspective. Inside the breakdown is a new identity. Inside the discomfort is the exact version of you you've been searching for. Everything is falling into place, it just doesn't feel like it yet. You see, growth isn't always glamorous. Sometimes it looks like crying yourself to sleep. Sometimes it looks like losing people who swore they'd always be there. Sometimes it looks like standing alone in silence, wondering if your effort is even worth it. But those moments, they're sacred. They're the moments most people run from, and that's why most people never become who they were meant to be. But not you. If you've been through hell, if you've lost things that broke you open, and you're still here, hit subscribe, and comment below. It's not falling apart. It's falling into place, because we're building something here. Not just videos, but victories. For people like you, people who keep showing up even when it's hard, back to it. The mountain you're climbing is shaping your strength. The silence you feel is sharpening your focus. The rejection you faced is redirection in disguise. Don't quit in the middle. You're not meant to go back to who you were. You're meant to meet the version of you that can only be found on the other side of all of this. And when you get there, when the dust settles, when you see what all this was leading you to, you'll finally understand. None of it was wasted, none of it was random, none of it was meaningless. It was the exact path you needed. To grow, to evolve, to finally see your own power. This isn't falling apart, this is a rising. It just doesn't look like one yet. If something in you is waking up right now, if you feel the fire starting to flicker again, hit subscribe and stay with us. This channel is for the ones who don't need everything perfect. Just honest reminders that they were built to rise, even from the ashes. So here's what I want you to remember. You are not lost, you are not broken, you are not being punished. You're in transition, and yes, it's hard. Yes, it's messy, yes, it hurts like hell sometimes. But keep going. Because what looks like everything falling apart is actually everything falling into place. And one day, you'll look back and realize, that moment you thought was your end was the beginning of everything you ever needed.